What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about legendary rapper Baby Gangsta. You know guys that BG released from prison after serving a lot of years and now he's free man and living his best life. So as I previously reported guys, BG is working on a new project with Birdman and Lil Wayne and he's also working on a Hot Boys reunion tour. But today guys, BG and his sons had a studio session. They cooking up in the studio and according to BG new project is on the way. This is big and major news, man. I can't wait to see BG shine again. So now let's check this out, the video of BG in studio. Come on. Man, after so many years, BG is still in the game and dropping some crazy songs. I can't wait to see his new projects, man. Also, can't wait to see Hot Boys reunion. So, before I finish the video, let me ask you a question of the day. Tell me which is your favorite song of BG. Write your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe, YTV, get the notification bells. And don't forget to visit the website, upty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.